Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Empower Education. I am your chemistry teacher and your guide Tejashri. Students, do you know that atoms are not usually found in isolation? They are mostly found joined together. Whenever two atoms join together form a molecule, everything around you is made up of molecule. So students, in today's video session, we are going to learn more about molecular formula. So let's start student. What we are going to see in today's video session? We are going to see about what is empirical formula with the help of example and what is molecular formula and its example. So let's start with the definition of empirical formula. So what is empirical formula students? So the empirical formula is a chemical formula as you can see in which the ratio of the elements are in the lowest terms is called as empirical formula. Or in simple way we can say it as empirical formula is nothing but positive integer ratio of atoms present in a compound. So you can write it down here as positive integer ratio. So student, it is positive integer ratio of atoms present in a compound. So for that, let's take one example here. As you can see, SO and S2O2. Now here there are two compounds. First one is sulfur monoxide and second one is disulfur dioxide. Now here the empirical formula of disulfur dioxide is SO. How? Here you can see sulfur monoxide contains sulfur and oxygen in it, while similarly S2O2 that is disulfur dioxide also contains sulfur and oxygen in it. So simply you can here write it as SO. So here SO is nothing but the empirical formula of disulfur dioxide. So let's take another example for understanding student. So moving on to the next, here one example is given on your screen. The empirical formula of glucose is CH2O and here the formula of glucose is, as you can see, C6H12O6. All the subscripts are divisible by 6. Here there are 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen student. Now what you have to do? You have to divide the subscripts by 6. As you can see here, for carbon 6 divided by 6, for hydrogen 12 divided by 6 and for oxygen 6 divided by 6. What will you get here? You will get C, H2 and O, and this is nothing but the empirical formula CH2O. So this is the empirical formula for glucose. Here we are going to take another example, okay, which has the same empirical formula as glucose. So that is C5H10O5. So this is ribose students, okay. Again you have to divide the subscript by 5. Here you have to divide it by 5. So here what will you get? Again C after 5 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 for hydrogen. What will you get? H2. And for oxygen 5 divided by 5 that is O. So CH2O. So you can see here the empirical formula for glucose and here for ribose is same, that is CH2O. So this is nothing but the empirical formula. I hope कि आपको ये समझ में आया है with the help of these examples. Moving on to the next, we are going to see what is the molecular formula. So molecular formula is nothing but the true formula. So it is the chemical formula for a molecular compound which shows the actual number of atoms which are present in the particular compound or in a particular molecule. So here, let's take one example. As you can see, there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, and togetherly it is water. And H2O, this is the molecular formula of water, students. What it represents? This formula represents the molecules, number of molecules which are present here. So for hydrogen there are two atoms. Okay, for oxygen there is one. So in this way, this is water molecule. So this is a molecular formula. Let's take one example. Okay, so here on your screen there is one example, student. The empirical formula of a compound of boron and hydrogen is BH3. Its molar mass is 27.7 gram per mole. Determine the molecular formula of the compound. So first of all, we are going to see what is given in this particular example, student. So what is given here? BH3 is nothing but what, student? Trihydroboron, or simply you can say it as boron. Okay. So here the empirical formula is BH3. So molar mass is given, student, which is 27.7 gram per mole. And the empirical formula mass EFM is equal to 13.84 gram per mole. Actually, it is the molar mass of that particular compound. So this is empirical formula mass, which is 13.84 gram per mole, students. Now here, this is the formula for molecular formula that you have to find, right? So here, molar mass upon EFM, that is 27.7 upon 13.84, you will get 2 here. And now what you have to do? You have to multiply this with our compound, which is given. So simply 2 multiply by this, 2 multiply to this. Okay. So after the multiplication, you will get here B2H6. So this is nothing but diboron or diboron. Yes, this is diboron. Okay. So you can see here B2H6, and it is nothing but what? The molecular formula of that particular compound. So students, this is one of the simple example you can see, and yes, you can do many examples like this by using this simple formula. So you have to always remember, students, what you have always remember, kind and number of atoms of each element present in the molecular compound. There is one simple formula here, n into empirical formula. N is nothing but what here? Integer, student. So this is the simple formula. So this is the simple formula, students, for molecular formula. So you have to always remember that molecular formula is nothing but what? It is the true formula. It is the actual number of atoms present in that particular molecule. If you want to calculate molecular formula, what you have to do? First of all, you have to understand what is the empirical formula, and with the help of empirical formula, you can easily find out what is the molecular formula. So in today's video session, we have learned about what is empirical formula. We have taken one example for that. Then we have discussed about molecular formula with the help of one example. I hope you understand the whole concept here. Okay? तो मैंने बहुत आसान तरीके से ये आपको बताने की कोशिश की है. अगर आपको इस बारे में डिटेल जानकारी चाहिए तो मुझे मैसेज करना, ड्रॉप अ मैसेज इन अ कमेंट बॉक्स. स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. तो आज जो हमने पढ़ा है उस पे क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको वहां पे दिया है. ऑन योर स्क्रीन यू कैन सी दैट क्वेश्चन. द एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला फॉर इथिलीन इज CH2. Find the molecular formula if the molar molecular mass is 28.1 ग्राम पर मोल. तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक एग्जांपल आपको सॉल्व करने के लिए दिया है. आप ये रेफर कर सकते हो वीडियो, और आपको अगर इसका आंसर पता है तो मैसेज message me in a comment box. So students, this is it for today. I hope कि आपको ये concept समझ में आई. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. और स्टूडेंट्स, आपके जो लाइक्स है, आपके जो कमेंट्स है, हमें मोटिवेट करते हैं. थैंक यू.